Hello. I've been an executive, HR, and sales and marketing professional for over 20 years. DevinOten.com was designed as a portal to bring news, discussion, direction, opinion, and humor to the world in which we live through media venues such as social media, radio, television, videos, and print. We endeavor to inspire, motivate, challenge, and learn from our audience, followers, and pundits. Inspire to achieve, motivate to provoke change, challenge to find purpose, and learn to do it better. We ask that you visit often, participate in the discussions through our podcast, blog, vlog, radio programs, and the like, and subscribe to our coming soon newsletter, and purchase my books, which I believe will enlighten, encourage, delight, and challenge the inner you to come out and manifest itself to the world. My book, Building Your Dreams, is designed to inspire and motivate you to believe in, initiate, and accomplish your dreams and goals. Executive Level Mentality was written to challenge you to change the way you see yourself and the world in which you live. The right mental makeup will improve and enhance your life. Do good work and live well, my friend.